If you want your jollof rice, fried rice, coconut rice, soups and stews to taste incredibly delicious and unforgettable, it all starts with your meat stock. Now in Nigerian cooking, meat stock is not just water from boiled meat. Sometimes I like to call it liquid gold because it adds so much flavor to your cooking. And the first tip I'm going to give you is that for a rich and flavorful meat stock, you have to season your meat right from the beginning before boiling. So to season my chicken, I'm going to start by adding some chopped onions, minced garlic and ginger, dried thyme and curry powder. Now these are the basic spices used to season meat in Nigerian cooking. But I'll go ahead to intensify the flavor of my chicken stock by adding some dried oregano, bay leaves, chicken bouillon and some salt to taste. Now my second tip I'm going to share is that you're going to cover and let this steam on low heat for about 5 minutes. This way the flavors soak into the meat and the stock itself instead of just floating on the surface. So after about 5 minutes, you are going to gently stir everything together before adding some water. And my third tip for you is that make sure you add some aromatic herbs like thyme, bay leaves, rosemary, oregano or basil in your meat stock so that it smells amazing and tastes good. So after adding water into your pot, you're going to cover and let your meat cook. And my fourth tip I would like to share is that when your meat is almost ready, turn down the heat and let it simmer on medium to low heat before turning it off. Now this helps to extract every bit of goodness from the bones. And not to worry, all the ingredients I use for this recipe will be listed in the description box so that you can check that out much later. I also want to take this opportunity to say thank you for watching to this point, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Now once your meat is ready, you're going to remove them and set them aside, and you have yourself a tasty and rich stock that you can use to make your Nigerian dishes like your stews, soups, rice dishes. The list is endless. So if you follow this recipe, you are going to have yourself a very rich and delicious meat stock that will form the basis of many of your Nigerian cooking. And finally, before you begin to use your meat stock or before you store it in the refrigerator, you are going to strain it to remove all the bits and pieces that you may have there so that you have yourself a very clear stock. And that's all I have for you in today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'd love to have you in this space so that we can grow this channel together. And you can also leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know what you think about this recipe. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.